Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn 51 to 60 numbers. Let's start. 1 tens, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 1 unit. 5 tens and 1 unit, 51. 5 tens, 1 unit, 51. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens, 1 and 2, 2 unit, 5 tens, 2 unit, 52. 5 tens and 3 unit, 5 tens, 3 unit, 53, 53. 5 tens and 4 unit, 5 tens, 4 unit, 54. 5 tens and 5 unit, 5 tens, 5 unit, 55, 55. 5 tens and 6 unit, 56. 5 tens and 7 unit, 5 tens, 7 unit, 57. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 tens, 8 unit, 5 tens, 8 unit, 58. 5 tens and 9 unit, 5 tens, 9 unit, 59, 59. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 tens and 0 unit, 6 tens and 0 unit, 6 tens and 0 unit, no unit, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Write the correct number in the blank space. 51, 5, 2, 52, 5, 3, 53, 5, 4, 54, 5, 5, 55, 5, 6, 56, 5, 7, 57, 5, 8, 58, 5, 9, 59 and 60, 60.